So that's what you're looking at. That's awesome.
I can see.
Well, see now. Far out.
Now you're living, Levi. Now you are living.
Keep going, goats go. May the adventures continue. Onwards. Against the elements. We're going all the way down there. Set up camp down there. Stay the night. Just for the record, I did not do that graffiti. Whoa. It's a hell of a roadblock.
Which way are you going?
Going off the beaten track. Little guy. Whoa. Oh man. These trees are like my handrail. This is gnarly bush, man. Now, this is the real world. Having a look. Wow. Fucking primo. We're gonna put wherever we want. Yeah. And ta-da! Just what the body needs after, what was it? 7 hour, 4.5 hour walk, eh?
Yep. It wasn't an easy one.
No. Physically demanding. No camping or hiking trip is complete without a cup of noodle. 4 hours, maybe 4.5 hours of trekking to go. Got to get out of here because the road's gonna close tomorrow. So, wish us luck, team. Here's the light I like to see. Here's the peaks. First sign. Things are going to get brighter. What I mean by be so dangerous and treacherous. Living life on the edge coming up this place. This isn't even the worst of it. Caught an avalanche, you gone. Way over there. We need some good hiking boots like these, eh? trek. Yes. What an awesome view. Got all that moss over them. Makes them look ancient and majestic.
Ghosting.
Oh, and get her over the mud too. Ooh. Getting a bit bumpy down here. Whoa. Gotta be good with poles. Was a big tree. Wow, it's huge. Something you see out of the movies. Another big dead one. Root system is jagged. I have overpacked on a few things. Be good to shave 5 kgs off my weight, down to 11 kgs. On the wall of the Labyrinth movie. Oh, there's a big hole there. Another hole there. Hello, Mr. Wild Pig. Lives under the tree. I've seen them living under trees, or sleeping under trees, inside the root system. Like that. Like that there. Like something under there, a pig would sleep under that. Wish I could show you the scale. That thing's huge.